Hello. Thanks for being with us. In this video we will show one of the most popular Soviet cars, ZAZ 966 and tuning trim. This is one of the smallest Soviet cars. It had been produced at the automobile plant Kommunar in the city of Zaporozhye from 1966 to 1972 with modifications. Model ZAZ 966 was released for the replacement of ZAZ 965 in 1966 and was manufactured until 1972. The development of the car began in 1961. In November of the same year, the early prototype of the new model was demonstrated to the public. The planned output of this model of 150,000 cars per year could not be reached. Moreover, only by 1973 the plant managed to approach the milestone of 100,000 cars a year. In those years, several large projects were being implemented in the Soviet car industry, the main of which was the construction and commissioning of the Volsky automobile plant Lada. In one of our previous videos we showed one of the models of Lada car. How do you like this tuned car? Write your answers in the comments, press like, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. See you soon, fellas.